To get a custom edge lights for Motorola Moto G86 5G, first of all we'll need to open a Google Play Store and find an app called Movies Edge. It's this app right here that you need to download. Then when it's ready, open it and make sure to allow any permissions that will pop up. After that, go to the edge lights, click on the top left corner and then select whichever one you like. Keep in mind that those with the yellow circle you will need to pay for them. So that is that. There's multiple different options, but they are behind a paywall. So pick this one for free, and then you can apply it. Also, we can pick different colors. And now if we get any notifications, those edge lights will appear. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.